Hey everyone, welcome back to Ammu English YouTube channel where we make learning fun and easy. Today we are diving into an essential part of English grammar, which is helping verbs. Helping verbs, you may not notice them often, but they play a huge role in sentence structure. So let's break it down. First we'll see what are helping verbs. Helping verbs is equal to, that is helping verbs helping the main verb, and these helping verbs are also known as auxiliary verbs, and they do exactly what their name suggests. They help the main verbs to complete thought. Helping verbs help in forming different tenses and making questions and negatives. Questions and negatives. And also they express the possibilities, abilities, or necessities. For example, I am eating, which is the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense. She has finished the work. Here, which shows the perfect tense. You can swim very well, which shows the ability. Here it shows the ability. That is, we are writing down here where do we can use these helping verbs. That is, we are using them in different tenses as well as to denote the abilities. We are using these helping verbs. We'll see the types of helping verbs here. The types of helping verbs. We have two types of helping verbs: primary helping verbs and modal helping verbs. Whereas primary helping verbs help to create the different tenses and are used in making questions and negatives. They are used in questions and negatives. Whereas the three main helping verbs are be, have, do. These are the primary helping verbs. And where to use these primary helping verbs? That is, we'll connect them with, suppose if we take be is connected with am, is, or, was, were, been, and being. Whereas have is connected with has, have, and had. Whereas we see do, which is the third primary verb, primary helping verb. Do, does, did. These are all comes under do. We have three types of primary helping verbs: be, have, and do. We'll see the examples for these primary verbs here. She is studying for her test. She is studying for her test, which is present continuous tense. And they have completed the project, which is present perfect tense. He did not like the movie, which is the negative sentence. That is, here we are using did, have, as well as is. These are the helping verbs. They are helping the main verb. Here main verb is studying. Studying is the main verb. Here completed is the main verb. Similarly here, he did not like the movie. It is like, it is also verb, which is did is helping here. And hence these are the few examples for the primary helping verb. In this modal helping verbs, they add meaning to a sentence by expressing ability, possibility, and necessity. Necessity or permission. Can, could, may, might, must or ought, should or would. These were the modal helping verbs. See about the modal helping verb can, which shows the ability or permission. That is, I can ride a bicycle. Here can is the modal helping verb. And then we can see now. You can take a break now, which shows the permission. And also the next modal helping verb could, which shows past ability or politeness. When I was younger, I could run very fast, which is the past ability. In order to show past ability, we are using could here. Could you please help me? Which is a polite request. And the next one is, that is, may is used to show possibility or formal permission. In order to know what is may, we'll see two examples here. In order to express possibility, we are using the helping verb may. That is, it may rain later, so take an umbrella, which is a possibility here. And then the next example is you may leave early today. Might shows the weaker possibility. He might come to the party. Weaker possibility. And I might call you later, which is an uncertain plan. It is I might call you later. It is an uncertain plan. Modal helping verbs must or ought. In order to show the necessity or strong obligation, we use must or ought. For example, belt while driving, which is a strong obligation. And then we have the next example is you ought to, O-U-G-H-T, ought to respect your elders. You ought to respect your elders, which is a moral obligation. next helping verb should or would, which shows the advice or hypothetical situations. You should drink water. More water. That is here, which is an advice. Should, which is a moral helping verb, is used here. If I were you, I would take the job, which is a hypothetical situation. These were the different modal helping verbs. Why are helping verbs important here? Without helping verbs, sentences would be unclear or grammatically incorrect. In order to show the tense, which is past, present or future, and to make questions and negatives, as well as to add the meaning, whether it is possibility, necessity or permission, we'll use this helping verbs. If, for example, if you don't use this helping verb, what happens? She playing football, which is incorrect. She is playing football is correct. And now let's test what you have learned. Fill in the blanks with the correct helping verb. Comment your answers below. They dash going to the concert tonight. She dash finished her assignment. You dash leave early if you want. I dash ride a bike when I was 5. You dash wear a helmet while riding a bike. Drop your answers in the comments below. That's it for today's lesson on helping verbs. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more grammar tips. See you next time.